If you haven't checked iPad note-taking apps since 2024, the landscape shifted. Some got way better. Prices changed everywhere. Picking the wrong app wastes not just money, but your time. Switching later kills your workflow. Here's what changed. We're breaking down actual contenders with features that matter, real pricing, and which apps are honestly worth your time. By the end, you'll know exactly which app fits your setup, and you can start using it today. The iPad pencil pressure, screen size, and hardware-software integration make note-taking feel different than laptop or phone. But not every app uses these advantages. Some basically mirror their web version and ignore iPad's capabilities. The best apps actually build for the hardware. They leverage the screen, pencil, and OS to give you something you can't replicate anywhere else. That's your baseline. If an app doesn't use that, we skip it. The 3 apps worth real consideration in 2026 are Apple Notes, Notability, and GoodNotes. Yes, OneNote and Notion exist, but these 3 own the iPad market for handwriting and notes. Apple Notes is free, built-in, and improving yearly. Notability is the professional's choice for teaching and design work. GoodNotes is the middle ground. Solid features, smooth writing, cleaner than Notability if you just want to write. We're diving deep into each one next. Most reviews just list features like a spec sheet. Here's what actually matters. Writing, feel, zero lag, natural pressure response. Organization. Can you find notes 6 months later? Search functionality. Does it actually work? Export. Can you get your notes out? Apple Notes excels at simplicity and search. Notability gives infinite canvas and power. GoodNotes splits the difference with excellent recognition. The real choice depends on your workflow, handwriting or typing, heavy PDF annotation, collaborating or just personal. Those answers matter more than feature counts. Most people pick an app and dump notes randomly. 6 months later, they've got 2,000 pages they can't find. Organization is the difference between a tool you love and a data graveyard. The consistency matters more than the system itself. Use templates for recurring note types. Saves hours later. Tag everything immediately. Timestamp your notes, create a monthly archive, and test your search. If you can't find something from last week, your system doesn't work. Fix that now, not later. This is critical if you work with others or use multiple devices. iCloud Sync works seamlessly for Apple Notes. Notability uses its own cloud or iCloud. GoodNotes relies on iCloud or OneDrive. The reality, if you're fully in the Apple ecosystem, iCloud just works. No extra setup. For real-time collaboration with others, it gets messier. None of these match Google Docs for simultaneous editing. That's not their design. For sharing files across different apps, export quality matters most. Let's talk money. Apple Notes is free, included with every iPad. Notability is $49 one time, no subscription. GoodNotes switched to subscription in 2024. $11 monthly or $99 yearly. Yes, subscription for a notes app. Some people hate that. Fair argument. But here's the honest reality. Notability's $50 one-time seems cheaper, but updates stopped years ago. GoodNotes charges monthly but updates constantly. Apple Notes is free with yearly updates. Best value for most? Apple Notes for professionals? GoodNotes justifies the subscription. Installation is easy. The setup that matters is configuring it so you'll actually use it. First, migrate existing notes. Do it now or regret it forever. Second, create a simple folder structure. Don't get fancy. Third, adjust pencil settings. Pressure, palm rejection, speed. Test them. Fourth, enable Cloud Sync and verify it works across devices. Fifth, create 3 templates: daily, meeting, research. When you sit down, templates keep you consistent automatically. Sixth, set a weekly cleanup session. That's it. You're ready. Here's what we covered. iPad note-taking apps are better than ever, but picking wrong costs your time. Apple Notes for simplicity and cost. Notability for powerful tools and one-time price. GoodNotes for cutting-edge updates and monthly payment. Test each with a real workflow for a week. See which feels right. Don't overthink it. Download the free setup template in the description. It has folder structures and templates ready to copy into your chosen app. What questions do you have? Comment below and we will make a video about it.